probably know Nintendo as the creator of legendary games like Super Mario Bros., Tetris, The Legend of Zelda, and my personal favorite, Animal Crossing. But I guarantee you that you have probably never heard of the first Nintendo video game. So technically, the first real Nintendo game is over 120 years old. Before Nintendo made video games, they were known as a playing card company founded in 1889. They produced and marketed a Japanese card game that translated to flower cards in English. But we're not here to talk about card games. The first real Nintendo video game was called EVR Race, published in 1975. It was a betting simulator that accommodated anywhere from 1 to 10 players depending on the cabinet available. The players would make a bet about which horse would win. Then they will watch a randomly selected pre-recorded video of a horse race, and they are rewarded based on the outcome. And Nintendo also had another version of this game that used cars instead of horses. Now, the name EVR Race came from the technology that Nintendo used in this game called EVR, short for electronic video recording. Before people finally settled on the popular VHS recording format, there was lots of experimentations, and EVR was one of them.
In operating the EVR player, one simply lifts up the lid of the player, places the cartridge over the spindle, and locks it in place. It's done automatically. You press the play button, and you transmit a signal to the television receiver.
EVR originated from CBS and was a hybrid between motion picture film and the new age digital media. Visible frames were actually stored in EVR and read by an EVR player, which converted them to video signals for a TV. But getting hold of one of these players was very expensive. At the time, it would cost nearly $2,000 in today's value to own one. So unfortunately, no Nintendo EVR game survived, so you won't find any Let's Play videos on YouTube. In the end, Nintendo will move on to create some of the greatest games and game systems that we recognize today. So guys, this was the first Nintendo video game. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.